Hello, Falcons. Happy Falcon Fry. Yay! Today is Friday, April 9th. Thank you so much for joining us. Hoy es el viernes, el día 9 de abril. Gracias por estar aquí con nosotros. We do want to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, that you are Falcons and that Falcons soar. This means that we show respect, own our actions, act safely, and rise to the challenge. Somos falcones y los falcones muestran respeto, son dueños de sus acciones, actúan de forma segura y están a la altura del desafío. If you had a birthday this week, we do want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. We hope that you had a great day. Si tenían cumpleaños esta semana, feliz cumpleaños. As always, we want to start our announcements by wishing you families and thanking you for your positive attitudes, your flexibility, your support, and your dedication. We appreciate all of the work that you do. We want to thank our teachers and our staff for everything that they do and for their positive attitudes, their flexibility, support as well. Como siempre, queremos empezar los anuncios dando gracias a todos ustedes y los maestras por sus actitudes positivas, su flexibilidad, su apoyo y su dedicación. We do have our instructional materials distribution coming up on Monday, April 12th. That is this Monday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Instructional pickup is for students who are 100% remote learners. If your child does come to school face-to-face or combination, they will receive their packet here. And of course, for your safety and ours, please stay in your vehicle and wear your mask. El distribución de materiales instructivo va a ser el lunes, el día 12 de abril, 9 de la mañana hasta las 5. Son para los niños que están 100% aprendizaje remoto. So, si vienen a la escuela cara a cara o si vienen en combinación, van a recibir sus paquetes aquí. Esto es para los niños que solamente están 100% remoto. Y por su seguridad y la nuestra, usa un tapabocas y que se queden en su vehículo, por favor. Muchísimas gracias. Nos vemos aquí. These are our parent meetings for the month of April. If you are interested in attending the parent meetings, please know that information does go out via your Skyward email, as well as on Class Dojo and on our social media platforms. Aquí son los juntas para los padres para abril. Tienen esta información en su correo electrónico de Skyward, en su Class Dojo y en social media. We do want you to stay informed, Falcons. Please follow us on social media. Please visit our website. Por favor, que se queden informados y que se sigan a nosotros en nuestras plataformas de social media. The new deadline to purchase your yearbook is May 7th. There are only 32 yearbooks left, so make sure that you order those today. You can purchase those on PreKtavo.com and search our school, and you'll be able to purchase via credit card payment. Compre el anuario. El día ya es el día 7 de mayo. Nada más se quedan con 32 anuarios. So si quieren el anuario, por favor, va a PreKtavo.com para comprarlo.
Here to talk to you about some things that you can do when you are feeling frustrated. When you are feeling frustrated, here are some coping skills. You can take a short break, use positive self-talk. You can draw about something that is frustrating you and then tear it up. You can take deep breaths, ask for help, use a stress ball, or you can read or watch a funny video. I hope that these skills help you when you are feeling frustrated. Have a great weekend, Falcons.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero.
Bye.
Good afternoon, Falcons. I'm here to announce this week's Dream Box winners. Buenas tardes, Falcones. Estoy aquí para anunciar los ganadores de Dream Box. En Pre-Kinder, en Kinder, Axel Barbosa con Miss Villanueva, with Miss Villanueva's class. In Kinder, Miss Anaya Pacheco in Miss Garcia's class. In first grade, en primero, Devon Brown in Miss Flores' class. In second grade, en segundo, Aldo Sanchez in Miss Garcia's class. In third grade, en tercero, Anthony Muñoz in Miss Muniz's class. In fourth grade, en cuarto, Giovanni Llanos in Miss Peñas' class. And in fifth grade, en quinto, Dayanara Bustos in Miss Gaitan's class. Remember, Falcons, we need to do 5 lessons a week. 5 lessons a week. I'll see you next week and we're ready to announce new Dreambox winners. Tenemos que hacer 5 lecturas a la semana. 5 lecturas a la semana. Y los espero la próxima semana para anunciar los ganadores de Dreambox.
Thank you, Ms. Campos, and congratulations, boys and girls.
Good morning, Falcons, and happy Friday. This is Miss Santoyo, and I am here to announce your top Smarty Ants students for this week. Feliz viernes a todos, soy Miss Santoyo y estoy aquí para anunciar a nuestros alumnos que sobresalieron usando el programa de Smarty Ants. In PreK, we have Beverly Salinas. In Kinder, Emma Pulido. In second grade, Cami Gaona. In third grade, Raúl Ramirez. And in fifth grade, Uriel Pais. Great job, boys and girls. Continue to use Smarty Ants. Felicidades a todos los alumnos. Sigan usando Smarty Ants.
Thank you, Mrs. Santoyo. And in first grade, we did have Tomas Ponce. Congratulations to all of you. Great job.
Good. Hello, Falcons, and happy Friday. This is Miss Santoyo, and I am here to announce our top Amplify students for this week. Feliz viernes a todos. Soy Miss Santoyo y estoy aquí para anunciar a nuestros alumnos que sobresalieron usando nuestro programa nuevo de Amplify, Reading Amplify. In Kinder, we have Montserrat Ruiz. In first grade, Mabel Avila. And in second grade, Carlos Hernandez. Remember to continue using Amplify Reading. Remember that this program will help you improve in your reading. Recuerden de usar Amplify Reading y cómo les va a ayudar a ser un mejor lector. I will see you guys next week.
Thank you, Mrs. Santoyo, and congratulations, boys and girls, and a job well done.
Hey, Miss Falcons, Miss Ramirez with the Achieve 3000 Weekly Challenge winner.
Our Achieve 3000 Weekly Challenge winners are George Trevino in 3rd grade, Aaron Herrera in 4th grade, and Genesis Ballesteros in 5th grade. Congratulations, boys and girls, and thank you, Ms. Ramirez.
Hey. Hello, Mighty Falcons. This is Miss Lopez, your librarian, and I am ready to announce my top AR readers for the week. Congratulations, Mabel Avila in 1st grade, Cami Gaona in 2nd grade, Isabella Landeros in 3rd grade, Ariani Castillo in 4th grade, and Maria Sainz Landeros in 5th grade. Congratulations, Mighty Falcons, and everyone, keep reading and keep testing. Bye.
Thank you, Mrs. Lopez, and congratulations to all these ladies in this group. Keep reading, y'all. Now for our Falcons of the Week, los estudiantes de la semana. In PreK, we have Sofia Santoy, Davi Smith, and Adan Garza. In Kinder, we have Julian Rios, Chloe Longoria, Montserrat Ruiz, Richard Lorenzo, Raúl Segovia, and Olivia Alonso. In 1st grade, we have Nathan Ortiz, Eric Diaz, Levi Banks, and Jaden Yanes. In 2nd grade, we have Valeria Perez, Malcolm Alvarez, and Daniel Cortez. In 3rd grade, we have Raúl Rios, Jada Murillo, Irvin Alvatas. In 4th grade, we have Jaciel Troncoso, Mia Lerma, Adeline Hernandez, Zoe Pulido, and Alexander De Hoyos. In 5th grade, we have Lyric Menchaca, Sofia Miranda, and Jocelyn Resendez. In our specials courses, we have in PE, Victoria del Ángel in PreK. In library, we have Mabel Avila in first grade. And in music, we have Montserrat Ruiz in kinder. Great job. We do want to wish a very happy Assistant Principals Week to our Assistant Principal, Mrs. Ramirez. Thank you so much for everything you do, Mrs. Ramirez, for our students, our staff, our school, and our community. We appreciate you and your commitment to making our school the absolute best. We love you. Thank you so much for everything that you do. Esta es la semana de subdirectoras y queremos festejar y celebrar a Ms. Ramírez por todo lo que hace para nuestra escuela, para nuestros estudiantes, la comunidad. Le queremos mucho. We also celebrate National Library Week this week, and we do want to celebrate and thank Mrs. Lopez for everything that she does, for making our school shine, and for the work that she does, getting our kids to be passionate about reading and about technology. So thank you, Mrs. Lopez. We love you. También esta semana celebramos a la biblioteca y la bibliotecaria, Ms. López. Queremos festejarla y celebrarla por todo el trabajo que hace para nuestra escuela, para nuestros estudiantes y la comunidad, y por su pasión para leer y la tecnología. So, muchísimas gracias, Ms. López. Le queremos mucho. As always, we want to remind you, Falcons, to work hard and be kind. Please stay safe. We love you all very much. Por favor, manténganse seguros. Te queremos mucho.